ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद तृतीयोध्याय प्रथम ब्राह्मण इज कॉल्ड आश्वल ब्राह्मण. Ashwalayana is the Purva Paksha here. Ashwala Brahmana. Page number 679. We have already seen the mantra. Now you see the explanation in Bhashya. गा एवं अवरुद्ध्य ब्राह्मणान् स्थान होवाच. एवं गा अवरुद्ध्य. In this way, having reserved the cows, 1000 cows, tan brahmanan, to those brahmanas, hovacha. So Janak Maharaj said this. Tika. Brahmano. No, further in Bhashya. He Brahmana, Bhagavanta iti amantrya. यो वो युष्माकं ब्रह्मिष्ठः सर्वे यूयं ब्रह्माणो अतिशयेन युष्माकं ब्रह्मा यः स एतागा उदजताम् उत्कालयतु स्वगृहं प्रति. हे ब्राह्मणः. So he addressed all the sages who had gathered. Bhagavanta Pujarha, those who are worthy of worship. Iti amantriya. Amantriya means he brought their attention. When you want to say something, if you address, then that person will pay attention to you. Iti amantriya. Yo vo yushmakam brahmishtha sarve yuyam brahmano atishayena yushmakam. Among you all, vaha means युष्माकम. युष्माकम वह. ब्रह्मिष्ठः सर्वे यूयम. यूयम ब्रह्माणो. ऑल ऑफ यू ब्रह्माणः. ब्रह्माणः. व्हाट पद इज दिस? लिंगवचन. ब्रह्मन प्रातिपदिक. नपुंसकलिंग. देन द्वितीय बहुवचन. नो, द्वितीय बहुवचन. नपुंसकलिंग. ब्रह्मा ब्रह्माणौ ब्रह्माणः. ब्रह्माणम ब्रह्माणौ ब्रह्मणः. इट शुड बी द्वितीय बहुवचन.
This is Prathama Bahuvachanam, Swamiji.
प्रथमा बहुवचन
Like Atman, Atmanah.
जी। प्रथमा बहुवचन ब्रह्माणो इन टीका वेदाध्ययन संपन्नाः तदर्थनिष्ठा इति यावत्। You all have studied Veda and you are abiding in the meaning of that. Tadarthanishta iti yavat. Brahmano atishayena yushmakam brahma yaha. The one who is yushmakam among you, who is atishayena brahma, yaha sa eta ga udajatam utkalayatu. Utkalayatu in tika udgamayatu. Please take these cows towards your house. Swagriham prati utkalayatu. Udgamayatu. Teha brahmana na dadrishuhu. Those brahmanas, they did not move. Dadrishuhu. Dhatu is drish. Lit lakara. Pratham purusha. What vachana? Bahuvachana. Brahmanaha na dadrishuhu. In dadrishuhu, drish is the dhatu, so you will have drish and Dhru will be there. That first Dhru, the Abhyasa Dhru will become Dha only. Urat Sutra will come. So Dhru will become Dha. And the second one, the Drishuhu, so that Dakara comes because of Abhyasa Charcha. So na dadrishuhu means they were not sure whether I am the highest Brahmanishtha or not. They could not prove. Teha kila eva mukta brahmana brahmishthataam atmanah pratignatum na dadrishu na pragalbhaha samvrittaha. They were incapable of proving their superiority among all the other gathered brahmishtha. So teha kila eva muktaha brahmanaha brahmishthatam atmanah pratignatum na dadrishu na pragalbhaha. Pragalbhaha 1 number tippani shaktaha samvrittaha. टीका यतो याज्ञवल्क्यादि यजुर्वेदविदः याज्ञवल्क्यात् यजुर्वेदविदः सकाशात् याज्ञवल्क्यात् पंचमी यजुर्वेदविदः सकाशात्. So this will come in this sentence but little later. See in Bhashya. अप्रगल्भ भूतेषु ब्राह्मणेषु अथः याज्ञवल्क्यः स्वम आत्मीयमेव ब्रह्मचारिणम् अन्तेवासिनम् उवाच. अप्रगल्भ भूतेषु ब्राह्मणेषु, those brahmanas who were incapable of proving their supreme knowledge, brahmaneshu athah yagnyavalkya, he was able to stand up. Swam swatmiya swatmiyameva. Swa shabda is used in Atma also and Atmi also. And that is Atmi. Swa shabda is used in Atma. Swa is used in Atmiya and Swa is used in Dhanam. This you remember. Swa Shabda is also used for dhana. Swam Atmiyameva Brahmacharinam. This Brahmachari, Antevasinam, who was staying with Acharya, Uvacha, Etaga he Somya, Udaja, Udgamaya, Asmad Grihan Prati. So Udgamaya came in the Tika earlier, that is given here also. Udgamaya. These cows, you take them towards our ashram. Grihan Prati, He Samashravaha. Now his name was Samashravaha. From this name, what we understand? He understand that Yajnavalkya was Chaturvedi. Not that this Samavedi was used only for driving the cows. So Samavedi should not feel, he was asked only to take away the cows, that's all. Yajnavalkya is Chaturvedi, that is established here, you see. He Samashravaha, Samavidhim hi shrunoti iti ato arthat Chaturvedo Yajnavalkya. To the meaning here, it is established Yajnavalkya is Chaturvedi. I know some people were really excited when they heard, oh, he's Samashrava. See in Tika. Yajnavalkya ji is actually Yajurvedi. Yajurveda Vidaha Sakashat. So Yajnavalkya ji is Yajurvedavit. In his proximity, if somebody Sakashat Brahmachari Samavidhim Shrunoti, he is listening to Sama. Brahmachari Samavidhim Shrunoti. So, means that Brahmachari is listening to Samaveda. And then his name is Samashrava. That means Yajnavalkya Acharya is teaching him Samaveda also. Not only that, Samaveda Gana is on Richa, Rigveda mantras. See, Rukshucha Adhyarudham Samagiyate. Samaganam is done on Richa, Adhyaruda on Richa. Rukshucha Adhyarudham Samagiyate. Trishu evacha Vedeshu Antarbhuto Atharva Vedaha. And so 3 are already done. He is Yajurveda with. He is teaching Samaveda, and Samaveda is Adhyaruda on Veda Richa, Rigveda mantra. And Atharva Veda is within these 3. Trishu evacha Vedeshu Antarbhuto Atharva Vedas. Tasmat. अर्थात यजुर्वेदिनो मुनेः शिष्यस्य सामवेद अध्ययन अनुपपत्तेर वेद चतुष्टय विशिष्टो मुनिरित्याह. तो याज्ञवल्क्य इस चतुर्वेदविद. भगवान भाष्यकार. This brahmachari's name is Samashrava, therefore Yajnavalkya. Chaturveda. So those whose names are Chaturvedi, etc., they should feel really proud and should study. Tika, Bhashya. Taga ha udachakaro. Udachakara utkaalitavan acharya graham prati. So Udachakara actually is Ud Achakara. Chakara, you know, Kridhatu, Chakara, Chakratuhu, Chakratuhu, Udachakara. Ud Achakara. Utkaalitavan means he took the cows to his Acharya's residence. Tika. Nimitta Nivedana Purvakam Brahmananam Sabhyanam Krodha Praptim Darshayati. Now, the cows are going and all of them are watching so many grams of gold is all also going. So they all became angry. Nimitta nivedana purvakam. Krodha prapti nimitta is there now. So brahmananam sabhyanam krodha praptim darshayati. So somebody say, oh, if all of them are brahmishtha and in the assembly if they can become angry, well, we are common people, we can also become. No, this is not to justify your anger, because they all were punished by Yajnavalkya, and the one who was very angry, his head will be cut off later, you will see. So anger is not good, and that too in particular in front of a Mahatma Sadhu. Because Karakalyan Akhil ke hani. Teha chukruduhu krudhavanto brahmana chukruduhu. Tesham krodha abhiprayam achaste. Why did they all get angry? So the abhipraya is shown. कथम नो अस्माकम एकैक प्रधानानां ब्रह्मिष्ठोस्मि इति ब्रुवीत इति. We all are brahmishtha, one superior than the other. Ekeka pradhananam, in front of all of us, he says he is brahmishtha. Yajnavalkya says, I am the best among all. Brahmishtho asmi iti. Katham bruvita, how did he say that? Tika. Krodha anantaryam atha shabdartham kathayati. So, after their anger, therefore, so this is anantaryarthe atha. But what is the anantaryam? Nimitta is krodha. So, Ashwala is going to get up now. Atha haivam kridhyeshu brahmaneshu janakasya yajmanasya hota ritvik ashwalo nama babuva asi. Janaka Raja is yajmana. All the brahmanas are angry there. Kridhyeshu brahmaneshu janakasya yajmanasya hota. Hota ritvik. Hota ritvik. Sandhi. What is the sutra? Hota ritvik became hotar twig. Online students.
Gunasandi Swamiji.
Correct. Simplest. No big sutras needed. Ad guna only. Because many times what happens is you can recite long sutra and everything. But if somebody will ask what is the sutra here, and that too if it is ad guna or eko yanachi, that only doesn't come to mind. So this hota, Ashwala is hota. Hota is Rigveda priest. 4 Ritviks are there. Rigveda, hota. Samaveda, Udgata, because he has to do Ganam. He is always into Udganam. So then who is remaining now? Advaryu is Yajurveda. And Brahma is Atharvaveda, because all the Vedas, normally those who study Atharvaveda, they have to study all. So Ashwala was hota. Hota ritvik ashwalo nama babuva asi. स एनम याज्ञवल्क्यम ब्रह्मिष्ठाभिमानी राजाश्रयत्वाच्च दृष्टो याज्ञवल्क्यम पप्रच्छ पृष्ठवान। ब्रह्मिष्ठाभिमानी, ब्रह्मिष्ठाभिमानी इज हु? इज हु? चंद्रमा। अश्वल। ब्रह्मिष्ठाभिमानी इज अश्वल। सह ब्रह्मिष्ठाभिमानी अश्वलः एनम याज्ञवल्क्यम पृष्ठवान, पप्रच्छ पृष्ठवान। वाय? राजाश्रयत्वात्। इज ब्रह्मिष्ठ अभिमानी also and also राजाश्रयत्व। राजा आश्रय ही हैज, राज्ञः आश्रय, राजाश्रयः। टीका। अश्वल प्रश्नस्य प्राथम्य हेतु। Why Ashwala was the first one to ask? Why not anybody else? Because he is होता। So what?
राजाश्रयत्व।
राजाश्रयत्वात्। राजाश्रयत्व is the hetu, not hota. Because he is Raja Ashrita, he is supported by the king, so he got up first. Is given or not? Pratika is there. Yagnavalkyam iti anuvado anvaya pradarshanaartha. In that vakya, you will see Yagnavalkya twice. Sa enam Yagnavalkyam brahmishthabhimani rajashrayatvacha drishto Yagnavalkyam. Yagnavalkya language. Why twice? It is only for anvaya. It is for easy understanding of the sentence. Only once also if it was given, it is possible to put the meaning. Prashnameva prashnapurvakam vishadayati. Now the question is put. How did he ask the question? Katham tvannu khalu no yagnavalkya brahmishtosi iti. Plutir bharsanartha. Tvannu khalu no yagnavalkya. You Yagnavalkya, naha, among us. Brahmishthosi, you are the, means Sreshta among the Brahmajnanis, among all of us. In this way, Pluti is done. Pluti is for Bhartsana. Bhartsana means it is kind of putting him down or threatening him. Tadanam. Bhartsanam means Tadanam. Tika, she beautiful thing is written. Anaudhatyam brahmavido lingam iti suchayati. A Brahmajnani, Shruti has not said anything. But what is saying here? Lingam. Shruti linga vakya prakarana sthana samakya. So here linga is there. What is the linga? That a Brahmajnani will not have any audhatyam. Means he will not cross his boundary when it comes to his transactions. In his vyavahara, he will never cross his boundaries. Anaudhatyam brahmavido lingam iti suchayati. Very great statement. Saha uvacha. So this Ashwala, how he told Yagnavalkya. And now see how Yagnavalkya is responding to Ashwala. Yagnavalkya uvacha namaskurmo vayam brahmisthaya. Yagnavalkya says, we offer salutations to Brahmajnanis. All Brahmajnanis, I offer salutations. Vayam, we all. Brahmisthaya. Brahmisthaya is Chaturthi, but actually Namaskurmaha. नमस्कुर्मः वयं ब्रह्मिष्ठम, इट शुड बी द्वितीया. देयर इज अ सूत्र, क्रियार्थोपपदस्य च कर्मणि स्थानिनः. So one is upapada vibhakti and another is karaka vibhakti. Karaka vibhakti upapadat baliyasi. Karaka is superior to upapada vibhakti. But this is, that is why this sutra has come. Kriyarthopapadasya cha karmani sthanina. This upapada vibhakti is karma sthaniya. So brahmisthaya, it should be, you should understand as brahmishtham. टीका. किमिति तर्हि स्वगृहं प्रति गावो ब्रह्मिष्ठपणभूता नीतास् तत्र आह. किमिति तर्हि स्वगृहं प्रति गावो, this all the cows, they were taken to his house. ब्रह्मिष्ठपणभूता नीताः तत्र आह. He said, somebody is asking, if you say you are not Brahmanishtha, because you are offering salutations to someone who is Brahmanishtha, so then why are you taking the cows? Kimiti tarhi swagriham prati gavo brahmishtha bhuta, because cows are only for the one who is Brahmishtha. So by taking away the cow, you have accepted that you are Brahmishtha. Idan bhashya. Idanim gokamaha smo vayam iti. Idanim gokamaha smo is there or sma is there? How did smo come there? Online students, what is smaha? Online students, स्मः. स्मः अस धातु अस भुवि लट लकार. उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचन स्मः. गोकामाः स्मः वयम. We are desirous of cows. We are not saying we are ब्रह्मिष्ठ. तम ब्रह्मिष्ठ प्रतिज्ञम संतम ततएव ब्रह्मिष्ठपण स्वीकरणात्. But those who take cow, they have to prove that they are brahmishtha. Tam brahmishtha pratignyam. These cows are for brahmishtha, and therefore tataiva brahmishtapana swig. You have accepted your brahmishthatva. Brahmishtapana swikaranad. So pratignya is done by you. Prashtum dadre dritavan mano hota ashwalaha. दद्रे. दद्रे त्रि धातु. कर्तरी लिट आत्मनेपद प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन. दद्रे. धृतवान मनः. He had his mind firm now. होता अश्वला. He prepared himself to ask the question. टीका. न तस्य तादृशी प्रतिज्ञा प्रतिभाति इति आशंक्याः तत एव इति. तस्य तादृशी प्रतिज्ञा न प्रतिभाति। Tasya means Yajnavalkyasya. Yajnavalkya, he doesn't want to claim that he is Brahmishta. So now questions are asked to check whether he is a real Brahmishta or not. So pariksha has to happen. टीका तत्र प्रथमं मुनेः आभिमुख्यम् आपादयितुं संबोधयति. So now he, to draw the attention of Yajnavalkya, this Ashwala begins the dialogue. See the mantra. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच यदिदं सर्वं मृत्युना आप्तं सर्वं मृत्युना अभिपन्नं येन यजमानो मृत्योराप्तिमतिमुच्यते इति होत्रार्त्विजाग्निना वाचा वाग्वै यज्ञस्य होता तद्येयं वाक् सोऽयमग्निः स होता स मुक्तिः सा अतिमुक्तिः. Yajnavalkya, Ashwala said, he addressed him. Yadidam sarvam, whatever that is there, sarvam mrityuna aptam. Everything is pervaded by death. Mrityu, literal meaning we will take death for now. Aptam. Sarvam mrityuna abhipannam. And everything is under the grip of mrityu. Kena yajmano mrityuhu aptim atimuchyata iti. Mrityoho aptim kena atimuchyate. This attainment of death, how he can cross, with what means. Iti hotra ritvija agnina vacha. Hotra ritvija is samanadhikarana. Agnina vacha vak vai yajnasya hota. So he said how he will cross with the help of hota, Ritvik. He is Rigveda Ritvik. Agnina vacha, with the help of Agni and the speech, fire and the speech. How? Vak vai yajnasya hota. Vak is the hota. So with the help of hota and tad ya iyam vak soyam agni. This vak is agni. That is hota. That is mukti. That is atimukti. In some of these dialogues, some question will be asked. We think we have understood the question. Some answer will be given. We may not understand, but the person who is asking question, he will understand. He says, yes, you are right. And it will be over. And we will be wondering, what was the question? What is the answer? Because in general, you see, if somebody is asking this question, right? Everything is pervaded by mrityu. How anyone can go beyond death? So you say by Brahma Vidya, because you have studied Brahma Vidya. And here the answer is by the hota ritvik, which is Agni, which is Vak. So this answer will never come to us because we want to see everything as Brahma is the answer, Brahma Jnanam is the answer. So here it is not like that. Okay? Only whenever the context is there, it will be answered in that way. Now, why this is the discussion? See in Bhashya. Yajnavalkya iti hovacha. Tika. Uktaritya ashwala prashne prastute tasya udgitha adhikarena sangatim aha. So when this Ashwala asked this question, how did this question suddenly show up? So he says this connection is with Udgitha Brahmana. What is the Udgitha Brahmana number? 1-3.
1-3.
First chapter, Tritiya Brahmana. भाष्य तत्र मधुकांडे पांक्तेन कर्मणा दर्शन समुच्चितेन यजमानस्य पांक्त कर्म ऑनलाइन व्हाट इज पांक्त कर्म पांक्तेन कर्मणा दर्शन समुच्चितेन यजमान पत्नी पुत्र मानुषं वित्तं दैवं वित्तं दर्शन समुच्चितेन यजमानस्य मृत्योः अत्ययो व्याख्यात उद्गीत प्रकरणे संक्षेपतः. This was mentioned in brief in the first chapter, third section. मृत्योः अत्यय means going beyond death was discussed. तस्यैव परीक्षा विषयो अयम्. This question is checking on that discussion and answering that part. इति तद्गत दर्शन विशेषोर्थम विशेषार्थोयम विस्तार आरभ्यते. So what was discussed there, it was not elaborated, is being elaborated here now. दर्शन विशेषार्थोयम विस्तार आरभ्यते. In टीका मधुकांडे पूर्वत्र व्याख्याते यद उद्गीत प्रकरणम तस्मिन् आसंग पाप्मनो मृत्योः अत्ययः समुच्चितेन कर्मणा संक्षेपतो व्याख्यात इति संबंधः. What was said in the Udgitha Brahmana, in the Udgitha Prakara, tasmin asanga papmano mrityoho. Mrityu is nothing but getting associated with negativities is mrityu. So that's why I said when I explained the mantra, it is only literal meaning, because the implied meaning will be something else only. So papmano asangaha is mrityu. Tasya atyaha samuchitena karmana, upasana with some karma. Six number tippani you see, mukhya prana darshana sahitena. Means mukhya prana upasana and some karma, that was explained. Tasyaiva udgitha darshanasya iti yavat. That is the Udgitha Prakarana. Prana is called Udgitha. So Udgitha Darshana means Prana Upasana. Pariksha Vishaya, Prana here means you can take Mukhya Prana is given. In Vyashti it is Mukhya Prana, Samashti it is Hiranyagarbha. Pariksha Vishaye Vichara Bhumi Rayam Prashna Prativachana Rupo Granthaha Ityarthaha. So this entire chapter is going to be in the form of Prashna Prativachana, some question, some answer. And that is how Pariksha is done, because they want to check whether he is Brahmishta or not. So some question will be asked, answer will be given in this way. Tat Shabdaha Samanantar Nirdishta Grantha Vishaya. And Tat Shabda is Samanantar Nirdishta, immediately that which is following about that. Because there it is given in the Bhashya, Tadgata Darshana Visheshartho Yam Vistara. So now this mantra onwards, third mantra onwards, it is all Pariksha of Yajnavalkya. And it will be in the form of a dialogue. Darshanam Udgithopasanam Tasya Vishesho Vagadehe Agnyadhyatmatva Vijnanam Tat Siddhyarthoyam Prakramaha. Darshanam Udgithopasanam Tasya Vishesho. Vishesha is Vagadehe Agnyadhyatmatva Vijnanam. Vagadi having this means the Hota having Agnyadi Vijnanam, Agnyadi Upasana. Tat Siddhyarthoyam Prakramaha. This beginning is for that. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।